A high-end industrial documentary showing rough natural diamonds being transformed through sorting, planning, cleaving, precision sawing, bruting, faceting, polishing, microscopic inspection, grading, secure packaging, and final dispatch. Rough diamonds arrive at the secure processing facility, gemologists weigh and inspect individual rough diamonds. The internal structure of a rough diamond is analyzed before cutting. A precision cutting plan is created for the rough diamond. The planned cutting lines are transferred onto the rough diamond. The rough diamond is precision sawn into workable sections. The sawn diamond section is shaped into its preliminary rounded form. The pavilion geometry and major facets are precision cut. The nearly finished diamond undergoes final polishing of its smallest facets. The finished diamond is ultrasonically cleaned. The cleaned diamond is inspected under high magnification for symmetry, polish, and surface quality. The diamond undergoes final optical and proportional quality evaluation. The approved diamond is photographed and documented for final inventory. Packaged diamonds enter secure inventory storage.